What's up mga master? Kamusta ang pagkakabal ninyo? Important information lang about this coming OBT. Agent Shop, Ekaterina. During CBT phase, nakita nyo naman na merong target sale and target purchase dun sa ating user interface. Pero sa darating na OBT, sad to say, mawawala na yung target sale and target purchase natin sa Agent Shop. According to the news, makikita nyo rin to sa kanilang website under news. Regarding to target sale and target feature that has been enabled on Agent Shop during the closed beta, we would like to inform you that this feature will be temporarily disabled during the open beta service. This is to improve the system to best suit the game's economy. Temporarily? Ano kaya ang ibig sabihin nun? Ano kaya magiging effect nito sa community at sa game economy? Abangan natin yan sa paglabas ng OBT. So paano mga master, kita-kits sa OBT. Bye-bye!